Welcome to CAT with Clarity. Most CAT aspirants think LRDI is difficult because the sets are complicated. That's not true. The real problem is students don't know how to start. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step framework that helps you approach almost any LRDI set calmly and logically. Most students start solving before understanding the structure of the set. That creates confusion immediately. We need to organize the information. We need not panic after reading long paragraphs. Now I'll share a 5-step LRDI framework. If we follow these 5 steps consistently, LRDI becomes much more manageable. The 5 steps are: read calmly, identify variables, mark fixed clues, create table or diagram, solve step by step. Step 1. Read the entire set once. Your first reading is only for understanding the story of the set. Don't solve immediately. Understand the scenario. Identify what is being asked. Step 2. Identify variables. Every LRDI set contains variable. Your first task is identifying them clearly. Look for people, places, days, numbers, categories, etc. Step 3. Mark fixed information. Fixed clues are gold. CAT setters usually hide the starting point inside fixed information. So fixed information can be something like A sits at extreme left, Monday has highest sales, Rahul cannot be in team B. Step 4. Make a structure. Toppers save huge time because they organize information visually. Use tables, grids, circular diagrams, timelines, etc. Step 5. Solve gradually. LRDI rewards patience and structured thinking. Combine clues slowly. Don't force conclusions. Eliminate possibilities. Now let's look at an example LRDI set and let's apply the framework. So 5 students A, B, C, D, E sit in a row facing north. Conditions given are: A sits left of B, C is at extreme right, D is not beside A, E sits between A and D. Okay, so let's solve it step by step. Always start with fixed positions. So it's given C is at extreme right. So you can see in the slide, if we do the arrangement, it will be like this: 4 places are empty to the left and C is to the extreme right. Now step 2. Use relative clues. Group clues together whenever possible. So E sits between A and D. So the possible arrangement can be AED or DEA. So now we do the final arrangement BAEDC. This could be the final arrangement given all the conditions. The condition is C is at extreme right, so we put C at extreme right. Then condition is A sits left of B, so here A sits left of B. D is not beside A, so D is not beside A. And E sits between A and D, so E sits between A. So our arrangement is BAEDC. Notice we solved this calmly using structure, not guessing. Now these are some of the common mistakes which students make. So we need to avoid these mistakes. These mistakes are list for you are: overthinking, ignoring fixed clues, messy diagrams, rushing calculation, trying all clues together. So keep these mistakes in mind so that you avoid them in your exams. Even CAT toppers skip difficult set. You do not need to solve every set. Focus on set selection, accuracy, calm thinking. The calmer you are, the faster you solve. LRDI is not about intelligence, it is about organization, observation, and patience. If this video if this video made LRDI feel less intimidating, subscribe to CAT with Clarity. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we'll see sitting arrangement tricks for CAT. I also share my Telegram channel link in the description. In the Telegram channel, I share DI and quant tips, trips, and sets on a daily basis. So please subscribe to the Telegram channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.